tired of leaving your customers in the dark about their orders? Let's transform your Shopify store into a well-oiled communication machine using Aisensy and watch customer satisfaction soar. First, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Aisensy. Click on the Aisensy app and hit that install button. You'll need to grant Aisensy permission to access your Shopify data. This is essential for it to work its magic. Once installed, jump into your Aisensy dashboard, look for the Integrations or Shopify Connection area, and follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store. This will usually involve authenticating your Shopify account within Aisensy. Now, for the fun part, setting up automations. Aisensy's Workflow Builder lets you create automated messages for various events. For example, create a flow that triggers an order confirmation message on WhatsApp as soon as an order is placed on Shopify. Craft your message, making sure to use dynamic variables like the customer's name, order number, and total amount. This will personalize each message and keep your customers informed. Next, set up shipping updates. Configure Aisensy to send WhatsApp messages when an order is shipped out for delivery and finally delivered. This proactive communication will drastically reduce customer inquiries. Don't forget customer support. Integrate your existing customer support channels into Aisensy or use Aisensy's built-in live chat feature. This allows you to respond to customer inquiries directly on WhatsApp, providing instant assistance. And that's it. With Aisensy automating your WhatsApp communications, you'll provide a seamless and personalized customer experience, reduce your support workload, and ultimately drive more sales.